Let's talk about two very, very helpful applications that you can use within your Teams channel. One is OneNote and the other is Planner. So Microsoft Planner. OneNote, like the name implies, is for note taking and for keeping records of every meeting or every updates that you've had within your team. It's always good to have a note that can be shared with everyone, that everyone can view and get updates from. And Planner is sort of like planning tasks. For planning tasks, it's kind of for project management. And I'll show you both of them and how to add them to your Teams channel. So the first thing we want to do is to navigate to your Teams channel. We're going to use this overseer's team and go to the general channel. And then we'll need to click on this plus icon. And let's start with OneNote. Let's add notes. Let's start with OneNote. So add a note to our channel. Okay. So I can see that the overseer already has a notebook. I don't want to create a new notebook, so I'm just going to use that notebook that has already been created. And then I'll leave this checked on to post to the channel about this new tab that I'm about to add. And then I click save, and that notebook will be added to my channel. If the notebook doesn't exist, you can create one and add it to your channel. So that's it. And now we have a notebook. With OneNote, you can leave notes and all your team members would be able to see it. Just like any notebook, you can add stuff in new pages to your notebook. To see that option, you need to click on this to show navigation. Because right now, it wasn't showing before, but if you cannot see it, or if you can't see it, you just need to click on that and then that's going to pop up the navigation. So right now, you can either add a section or a page. What's the difference between a section? A section is just like the name, is to categorize different topics or different whatever that you want to categorize. And then the page, so that there can be multiple pages within a section. So right now we've got one section called general and we've got another section called untitled section. So under general, I can add a new page. So general page, let me add this. I'm going to add the notes in there. Okay. Under general, I'm going to add another page or still under general. Okay. Great. And now you can see under general section, I've got two pages now, right? Good. And on the untitled section, I can rename this section and call it marketing. So if we've got a marketing team within my team, I can use this section for them. And I'll call this one. The new page, if we've had another meeting. Okay. So now we've got two sections within our team, one for general and one for marketing, right? People can access that. They can get information quickly. So if anyone has, for example, not been around for a while, they can always review the OneNote notes and see what has been happening within the meeting. And because this is within our team and it's just a tab from navigating to the team's channel, you can easily just go to the notebook and get all that they need to get. You can also tag the notebook, so you can use tags for the notebook. You can use, so if I click on tag, just waiting for that to load. So I can tag, for example, I'm on first marketing. I can tag this for project A. I can tag this one for project B. So you can just tag it. You can also add extra tags you can add this tag to making an idea meeting. So now I've got 2 tags in this. That's good. Yeah, so that's basically it. High level overview of notebook. So now we've added a notebook that people can use and view what they need to do. The next thing we want to do is we also want to add a planner, like I said. So just the same way we've added a notebook, we'll click the plus sign again and we'll add a planner to this group, into this channel. So this is the planner icon. I click that. Should give me a pop-up. Be organized with planner and things. Okay, good, thank you. So it's going to give me a new planner. I'm going to create a new plan for Project Bata. So what I want is a project management plan. I can start with the basic or I can use it or templates. I'm going to go with the project management plan. So that's already giving me some good templates and then it shows me what it looks like. So I'll click on use template. I'll call this projects Bata. Okay. For the overseers channel. And then I click that. And now I have my new plan. So good. So it's giving me a template. It's giving me some demo tasks just so I can see what it looks like. I can say, okay, good. So this is for review project. I can assign this to Gilbert, put a start date of 9th, and end date of 23rd. Do wherever, add a label. Can add a label, add a red label. I can even add a new task. Get or follow up. And assign this to myself. Start date, 31st, end date, right? And leave this. Okay. So this is just a way to organize tasks. So if you've got a team and you just want to have all your tasks aligned where everyone knows what they should be doing, you want to assign tasks to people, this is a good thing that you can do. And you can see it's all within the same Teams channel. You can also switch to the cam. This is the grid view. You can change view. You can switch to the Kanban board or the board view, which is this is personally this is my favorite view. So if you switch to this one, you can see it organized. So all the tasks are organized in buckets. So this is the initiating bucket, planning bucket, executing bucket, monitoring, and closing. So as the tasks move along these buckets, it moves to completion. So once we're done identifying goals, we've defined primary goals, defined and done that, we can easily just move this to the planning bucket. Once we're done with that, we can move it to executing buckets, right? And then we can move it along to closing. So that's basically it. So this one, because I've checked it, it gave me that. So I don't want to, because I've checked it, it gave me that sound and just basically move to complete. So I can move that here. I can move that here and then I can finish it up. And then I know that I've got a completed task. So yeah, that's just basically it. I'm just giving high level overview of how to use these things, but you can use it in different ways. And there's also schedule. You can check the schedule of what you need to be doing. So right now you can see there's review progress from the 9th to the 24th. It's follow up from the 29th. So you can see what people should be doing at what time. You can also check this other view, which gives you like an overview of basically the task within your planner. So I feel like this is actually a very good tool to use within your team's channel or within your team. And that gives you, a way to monitor tasks and activities of your teammates. So there are other apps you can explore, such as forms and all the other ones. But yeah, you can also add different stuff to your tab. So you can add a website as a tab in your channel. But yeah, so that's it. So we've added a notebook and we've added a plan. You can add more plans to your tab. But it's good. So that's just gonna end that there. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.